What's up YouTube? Today I'm finally bringing you guys the install of the Rexspeed carbon fiber spoiler. I believe this is the version 1 for the Toyota Supra. So I ordered this spoiler from speedindustry.com around Black Friday and got a pretty good deal on it. Shipping actually came pretty fast, and as you can see, the packaging was in pretty good condition. No defects as well. The spoiler came in a carbon fiber gloss finish, and as far as the weave, I don't see any defects in either side of the spoiler. I know in some reviews that people received some that had some minor defects, but I guess I got pretty lucky on this one. Right here I'm just test fitting the spoiler to make sure there aren't any gaps before the preparation process, and the good thing about this wing is that it fits pretty spot on. So the first thing we're going to do is clean the surface, getting rid of any dust particles or material that can affect the 3M tape on both the trunk and the spoiler itself, and then also making sure to dry off the surface after. So right here, using the double-sided tape that's provided, what you want to do is try to carefully place it along the edge of the spoiler to where it's going to make contact with the trunk, trying to leave little to no gaps in between each segment that you place. Next, using some painter's masking tape, I'm going to set 3 guidelines onto the spoiler and the trunk to help guide the process when I'm ready to peel back the adhesive for the 3M tape to stick, just to make sure that the spoiler is in the right spot and is centered correctly before we lay it down. Once you're ready for the next step, what you want to do is on each piece of the 3M tape that you use is pre-peel back about 1 inch to 2 inches to help with the installation process. Finally, once you're ready to lay down the spoiler, go ahead using the 3 guidelined tape marks, make sure that it's centered, and using the pre-pulled tabs for your 3M tape, make sure you pull rather slowly to make sure it doesn't break on you, and go ahead and apply pressure once you finish each piece that you peel off. And there you have it. That finishes off the Rexspeed V1 carbon fiber spoiler for the Toyota Supra. Overall, the fitment was great, the installation process was easy, and it just adds that little extra dynamic feature to the rear end. But once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.